Hello, today we're going to be talking about a mental strategy for you to close more deals and make more commission in 2024. My name is Caleb Lasar. I'm a sales trainer. I've been in the industry for 7 years. I've helped sales professionals like you close millions of dollars of deals and make tens of thousands of dollars in commission. And I hope to do the same for you too. So let's talk about a concept called the zero-sum game. This is a really quick mental shift that you can make that will help you sign more deals and make more commissions in 2024. So most people, when they think about sales, they think about it in a zero-sum game. So a zero-sum game means it's lose for me, it's lose for them. And the reason why they think this way is because this person is parting with money and I am taking their money. So the person feels like the assumption is the person feels like they're going to lose because they're parting with their money, and then I'm bad for taking money. And not everybody has this mental shift that needs to happen, but I would encourage you to think about it anyway and do the exercise that we're about to give you towards the end of this video to help this sink in even deeper. So what I want you to think about is, how would this be a win-win situation? And not just kind of try to convince yourself, but I really want you to honor the part of you that feels like this is potentially not a win-win situation, and see if you have any kind of mental blocks or stories around your service. So you might be in a position where you're not 100% sold on how your service is a massive win for the people that you're selling it to. This can catch a lot of salespeople off guard as they feel like they're just doing a job rather than really truly getting behind believing that this is a really important thing, that it's a massive win if people buy it. So we want to turn this into a win-win scenario. So one of the things you can do is you can list out all of the benefits to your prospects, not for them, but for you, as to why this product is a massive win. And you also want to look at creating and seeing the benefit of them investing and also the opportunity cost of them not investing. So you want to look at how much money will it be costing your prospect if they don't take this opportunity that you have? What are they leaving on the table every month that you are solving through the presentation of your product or service? So if we think about this in a salesperson context, as we always do, if you are closing at 10%, but we know that you could be closing at 30%, that's 20%. That's an opportunity cost every single month. And so let's say that you have 10 calls and you're closing 1 out of the 10. A 30% close ratio would mean that you'd be closing 3, which means there's 2 going unaccounted for. So the opportunity cost of that, if you're making, say, $1,000 per deal, could be $2,000 every single month that you're leaving on the table. That if I don't do my YouTube videos, if I don't show you how to close more deals, if I don't offer you my services to help increase your conversion ratio, that it's going to be costing you. And over 12 months, that's $24,000 that is just sitting there because of the cost of an action. And this is how we can truly see the value of what it is that we do for our prospects. And we can turn it into its actual win for them, because they'd be paying money, whatever the investment is for your service, to solve that problem for themselves. And so once you understand that your service is outstanding and it solves the problem really clearly and articulately and well, and it costs this person a shitload of money not to actually take you up on this offer, then this mental shift allows you to see this as truly a win-win. I trust this is valuable. As always, we'll see you in the next video.